In this video, we're diving into how to use SuiteDash for managing digital products efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your digital product management with a powerful platform, stay tuned because we're going to break down exactly what SuiteDash offers, the pros and cons, and how it compares to other solutions out there. Now, SuiteDash is an all-in-one business management software that includes everything you need to manage digital products, customer relationship management, CRM, invoicing, project management, and more. But is it the right choice for you? Let's find out. First thing, SuiteDash has a solid structure for managing digital products. You can easily set up and organize your products, whether it's courses, ebooks, or software downloads. With its customizable client portal, your customers can access their purchases directly, making the entire process smoother for both you and them. However, one downside to this is that the setup process can be a bit tricky for new users. The interface isn't the most intuitive, and it may take some time to get used to. Next thing, SuiteDash integrates with popular payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, so you can easily collect payments for your digital products. This is crucial for any business, but you might find that while SuiteDash does the job, it doesn't offer the level of flexibility and customization that some other platforms provide when it comes to payment management. Now let's talk about automation. SuiteDash offers a lot of automation features, like automated emails, billing reminders, and client management workflows. These are great for reducing manual tasks and keeping your business running smoothly. However, the automation setup can be a bit overwhelming at first. It's not the simplest to set up, and you might find yourself spending more time configuring the system than you expected. The fourth thing is the customer support. SuiteDash offers decent support, including live chat and email. But here's the catch, it's not always the fastest. If you run into issues, you might have to wait a while for a response, which can be frustrating, especially when you're managing digital products that need to be accessible 24/7. The fifth thing worth mentioning is SuiteDash's pricing. It offers competitive pricing, but it can get a little pricey depending on the features you need. For a business managing a small number of digital products, SuiteDash might be a solid choice, but if you're scaling up or need more advanced features, it could get expensive quickly. So, is SuiteDash the best option for managing digital products? It's definitely a solid platform, but it's not without its flaws. There are other alternatives out there that might better suit your needs depending on the scale of your business. Before we wrap up, here's the twist. While SuiteDash works for some, there are alternatives that might offer a better fit for your specific goals, especially if you're looking for something more user-friendly or scalable. At the end of this video, I'll give you a recommendation for a competitor that's got all the right tools to take your digital product management to the next level. Now, the best part, I've arranged an exclusive extended free trial of SuiteDash through our link down below, so you can test out its features for yourself. But don't go just yet, check out the alternatives I've linked, which might be better suited for your needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. That's all for today. Make sure to click the link in the description to grab your free trial and get started managing your digital products with the best tools for the job.